Welcome back, guys. Today I bring you another new video, and today I bring you a Stephen He video with when Asian is a difficulty mode. Now, I think myself this is going to be about gaming, because Asians just play games on a bloody complete different level to everyone else. Like computer games, like when you think like League of Legends or Overwatch, games like that, it's always like the South Koreans, the Chinese, always right at the top. So I'm assuming this is about gaming. So obviously, like, you get like normal, hard. I usually play on hard, then you get like hardcore. Then I'm just going to assume it's just Asian. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this one. I was looking through some Stephen He videos, and I just saw this, and just the title just hit me. I was like, yeah, okay, gotta react to this. If he's on about gaming, or is he on about like Asian difficulty mode in IRL? Because he's obviously IRL. Looking bloody good, I tell you that, though. He can pull off that scarf. But anyway, guys, let's get into it.
What the heck? Step on branch.
Oh, that's the new level. They just released it. So many people in Asia complained it was too easy, so they made this.
Easy meaning on Asian. Hit by
A leaf. Was it poisonous?
I think you press L2.
No, just regular leaf. And then fell in the fetal position. He threw that back.
I have to block the sun. Finally, some action.
Auntie.
Steven, when you get so fat,
Emotional damage. You want some therapy?
You probably could just hold down the block button.
when you get so fat, you still trying to be an actor.
Unemployment.
Hey!
Food too dry, dude. Gets like crazy fool.
I'm done. Steven, get the cheat codes.
What? You don't want to beat it properly?
I will send you to Jesus.
Okay, here's one. L2, circle, circle, triangle.
Okay, L, triangle, square, square, circle.
Whoa, is that a cheat code? Looks like you, my friend, are on the wrong difficulty level. See, we made this game mode for the 5-year-olds in Asia who kept beating our f***ing game in 5 minutes!
The
How are
5-year-olds.
they so good? We kept raising the difficulty, but it's just not enough for that! I can't even play that well, and I made the f***ing game! So let's take you back to where you should be.
Easy.
Easy mode.
Yeah. Oh, I love outtakes. Ooh, how Minecraft made Chicken Jockey, and how Avengers Doomsday will write in 40 characters. Okay, well, they're definitely videos that I need to get into, but yeah, this is... It was kind of a mix what I thought it was going to be, so it was IRL and gaming. But yeah, this was fun. I swear I saw There's a second one to this. So when Asian in difficulty mode 2. So that's definitely another one that I will check out. But just is this the original of the emotional damage? No, I butchered that. I ain't even going to do it. Emotion. Nah. I give up. But is this the the beginning of emotional damage? Because I swear that the meme was him sitting on that sofa. I swear that's how it be. Emotional damage. There you go. I thought 3 times the charm. Close, but not as good as him. But damn, yeah. Oh, I'm looking forward to so I've watched a lot of shorts of Stephen He, but I've never really actually watched his videos. And obviously, half the time you don't even know if it's their shorts. So, but yeah, man, this was fun. This was fun. I love little videos like this. They make me happy. They make me very, very happy. But anyone, everyone, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, morning, night. I forgot about nighttime. But whatever it is where you are, have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Do, 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 do.